Section 24 of Birds, Volume 3, Number 3, March, 1898. Recorded for LibriVox.org by Phil Schempf. Summary. Black duck, Anis obscura, other name dusky duck. Range, North America. Breeds from Illinois and New Jersey to Hudson Bay and Labrador. Winters southward to the Greater Antilles. Nest, on the ground, in grass or rushes in the neighborhood of ponds, pools, and streams. Eggs, 8 to 12, pale greenish or bluish white, or creamy buff. Wilson's petrel, Oceanites oceanus. Range, Atlantic Ocean. Breeds in the southern seas, Kerguelen Island, and migrates northward, spending the summer off our coasts. Nest, in the crevices of rocks. Egg, 1, white. Blue-gray gnatcatcher, Polioptila cerulea. Range, eastern United States. Breeds from the Gulf States to northern Illinois, southern Ontario, and New Jersey, and wanders rarely to Minnesota and Maine. Winters from Florida southward. Nest, of fine strips of bark and fine grasses firmly interwoven and covered with lichens on branch or in crotch of tree, 10 to 60 feet up. Eggs, 4 or 5, bluish-white, thickly spotted and speckled with brown. American coot, Fulica americana. Other names, mudhen, crow duck, blue peter. Range, North America, as far north as Alaska and New Brunswick and Greenland. Breeds throughout its range. Nest, of reeds and grasses, among reeds in freshwater marshes. Eggs, 8 to 15, pale buffy white, speckled with chocolate on black. Ivory-billed woodpecker, Camphophilus principalis. Range, formerly South Atlantic and Gulf States, from North Carolina to Texas, north in the Mississippi Valley to Missouri, southern Illinois, and southern Indiana, now restricted to the Gulf States and the lower Mississippi Valley, where only locally distributed. AOU. Nest, in the higher part of a tree. Eggs, 3 have been found. American sparrowhawk, Falco sparvarius. Other name, killiehawk. Range, from Florida to Hudson Bay, and winters from New Jersey southward. Nest, in a hole in a tree, frequently in a woodpecker's deserted nest. Eggs, 3 to 7, creamy white to rufous, generally finely and evenly marked, with shades of the ground color. Silver pheasant, Phasianus nycthemerus. Other name, penciled. Range, throughout China. Scaled partridge, Calopepla squamata. Other name, blue quail. Range, northwestern Mexico and border of the United States, from western Texas to New Mexico and southern Arizona. Nest, a slight depression under a bush, lined with a few coarse grasses. Eggs, 8 to 16, of a buffy white or cream color, irregularly dotted with specks of light brown. End of section 24. This recording is in the public domain. End of Birds, Volume 3, Number 3, March 1898.